Nearly 30 people have been arrested in the aftermath of the midnight mayhem that was unleashed on Thursday. The Kolkata Police Commissioner has admitted that he and his team failed to assess the situation. Meanwhile, the CBI is now questioning the former principal of R.G. Kar Medical College, Sandeep Ghosh. Here's more.
A rampage never seen before at Kolkata's R.G. Kar Hospital. 2 days after the midnight mob attack on the facility, the thugs behind this mayhem are being unmasked. 20 arrests have been made so far. The Kolkata police have only released the names of 3 accused.
But CBI, at this point of time, the entire videography is available. Now, if they want to have certain clarification, etc., the video is also available. So there is absolutely no issue as far as transparency is concerned. I don't know what more procedure could have brought in further transparency. I am still not very sure.
In this video of the midnight mayhem released by the Bengal CID, the mob is seen breaking police barricades, clashing with the cops to storm the hospital wing before unleashing a streak of vandalism. The Calcutta High Court minced no words in its criticism of the Mamata government and the state police over the rampage, questioning why the police were not prepared for the mob. The court said it is not believable that the police had no intelligence on a gathering of 7,000 people, stating that it is better to transfer patients out and shut the hospital instead. The court also raised this hospital renovation, questioning why the hospital authorities were in a hurry to renovate an area near the crime scene.
Now on the 14th itself, in the evening, the hospital authority started demolishing a particular wall which is near the crime scene area. Now we once again express our apprehension that evidence is being destroyed at the instance of the state.
The CBI will file a status report on this vandalism. While 4 doctors were grilled on what exactly happened the night of Abhaya's rape and murder. The agency also questioned the former principal of R.G. Kar Hospital, Sandeep Ghosh. Meanwhile, the fallout of this rampage continues. From the national capital,
after the attack in the R.G. Kar Hospital on Wednesday night, things have changed in the past 48 hours. The FODA resumed its protest. The IMA announced that it is going to withdraw all OPD services from Saturday 6 a.m. till the end of Sunday as well.
That has still not come into action. It is an act for the protection of healthcare workers. We want CPA to come into action. We want a written assurance on that. And we want justice for the victim.
To Kerala and Andhra Pradesh.
These are doctors of the Thiruvananthapuram Medical College and also the Sri Chitra Tirunal Medical Institute and also the Regional Cancer Center. These are resident doctors, UG, PG and Dental College.
One of our demands is the Central Protection Act implementation. Second thing is that we want justice for the deceased. So we want the fight for that to be fast and to find the culprits as the earliest.
Doctors took to the streets in massive protest held across the country. The Juniors Doctors Network of the Indian Medical Association have called an indefinite strike now, which will impact patients and dent hospital emergency services, ward duties and on-call services. The heat is clearly mounting on the Mamata government. Bureau Report, India Today.
Under fire, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and women leaders from the Trinamool marched on the streets of Kolkata today, demanding that the rapist be hanged by Sunday. But the Chief Minister's comments blaming BAM, that's the left, and RAM, which is the right, the BJP, for vandalism at the R.G. Kar Hospital has triggered a massive storm. Here's how the political war of words is playing out.
Mamata Banerjee leading a protest Padyatra in Kolkata. Under fire after the 31-year-old trainee doctor's rape and murder, she is demanding that the accused be hanged. Flanked by women MPs, the Chief Minister also chanted slogans alleging a conspiracy by the left and the BJP.
আমি জানি সিপিএম আর বিজেপি ভাঙচুরটা করেছে আরজি করে গিয়ে নাটক করেও যখন শেষ হয়নি রাত্রি 1টার সময় 12টার পরে সিপিএম এর ডিওয়াইএফ এর ফ্ল্যাগ নিয়ে ভিডিওতে দেখা যাচ্ছে ডিওয়াইএফ এর ফ্ল্যাগ আর বিজেপি নিয়েছে ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগ সব জায়গায় পলিটিক্যাল কাজে ব্যবহার করা যায় না ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগের কোড আছে ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগকে মিসইউজ করেছে পানিশমেন্ট হওয়া উচিত এটা একটা ক্রিমিনাল অফেন্স
Earlier in the day, the BJP stormed the streets of Kolkata on Friday seeking justice for Abhaya. The Saffron Party workers staged massive stir against the Mamata Banerjee government and vandalism at the RG Kar Hospital in the early hours of August 15. The BJP alleged that the TMC is destroying evidence in the rape and murder case.
The BJP wanted to, have a dharna over here. You can still see Agnimitra Paul speaking to the cops over here. Very, very dramatic scenes we had seen where the BJP workers wanted to, sit on a dharna over here. However, they were not given permission, and the police. दीदी क्या बोल के इन लोगों को
हम लोग अरेस्ट नहीं होंगे हम लोग चाहते हैं अदालत से परमिशन आएगा हम लोग यहाँ करेंगे लगातार धरना होगा लगातार
The allegations were strongly refuted by the TMC.
Bodily fluids are measured in milliliters, not in grams. This was the total weight of the internal viscera of the reproductive organs. It has nothing to do with any amount of bodily fluids found. Number two, that the place of occurrence, the crime scene was tampered with and there was some kind of construction going on there. Please understand the facts surrounding this. The crime scene, the PO, the place of occurrence was sealed off by the police immediately after the crime came to light. It is secured.
ममता जी को अभी राम और वाम याद आ रहे हैं हर चीज में राम को ब्लेम कर रही हैं तभी अपनी नाकामी छुपाने के लिए भी राम जी के नाम का सहारा ले रही हैं तो उनको राम जी भी क्षमा करने वाले नहीं हैं
The BJP and the opposition aren't the only ones attacking Mamata Banerjee. Her own netas are slamming the government's actions. After party MP Sukhendu Shekhar Ray, Shantanu Sen openly lambasted Sandeep Ghosh, the ex-principal of RG Kar Medical College.
ये प्रिंसिपल है जिसको लेके इतना कंट्रोवर्सी है और जिसको लेके इतना कंट्रोवर्सी होने के लिए आज इस सिचुएशन में हम लोगों को खड़ा होना पड़ रहा है तो हमको लग रहा है इसके बारे में सरकार को भी थोड़ा सोचना चाहिए
While politics escalates over the gruesome rape and murder, doctors across India are on the streets waiting for justice to be served. With Sneha Murdani and Suryagni Roy in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.